In this video, I will show you how to access Google Gemini AI using Maker Suits interface. So link is given in description. Let's go to the link and you will see this interface of Google AI Studio, where you can see in the right and left side all these features are available. And here you can see the upper side, we can get the code also. Here you can see we can set according to our own needs, like we can customize output lengths, temperatures, models, etc. And just for creating new, just there are three features: free form prompt, structured prompt, and chat gpt prompt. So let's go to create a new free form. Just write what is the Google Gemini API just for testing, and let's see the output what we are getting. And you can see, let's wait and watch for the result. And you can see we are, this is basically the free form structure text is basically working like a normal bard, or you can say chat gpt. And you can see here two, we are getting a right or wrong options. If we click on right, we will get the answer. If we click on wrong, the answer will be removed and we will get a new answer for the same question. And for the image, we have to go to the model and just change to Gemini provisions. And then just if you wanna set, take an image, take it from your drive, or let's choose one from the sample. Let's choose this dog sample and add to the prompt. And just type any questions. Breed of this dog, let's take an example, breed of this dog. And here you can see we have a preview where we have a limit, how much we can access this for free. So just click on run and let's see what we are getting. Yeah, you can see the beagle is a small to medium sized, 100, like complete description about the dog. Let's click on this right icon. If we click on this wrong one, then we are not happy. It means we are not happy with the generated answer, though this will generate a new one. So let's see, we get a new answer for the same. Just click on the right one, accept response, and you will get the response. If you will reject it, then it will generate again. So yeah, this is now for test input. We have just copy the breed portion and click on the test input. And you can see here, test your prompt. We are getting these input values, and you can type it manually as well. And after it's depend on your requirement. And after adding manual values, just click on run. And let's see we are getting the proper output or not, according about the breed of this dog and the lifespan of this dog breed. So yeah, you can see we are getting the complete description according to our input parameters, like complete dog size and about whole structure of the dog, how it looks. And you can see the lifespan as well. We are getting proper 10 to 15 years. So this way we can use any images and get the info about, or info about those images, and we can give more inputs and get multiple outputs at the same time related to that images. So yeah, these two features are in a free form prompt. And after this, let's create a new one and go to the structured prompt, which is the second one. And you can see in structured we have a complete input output structure, like this is the, but we before that we have an optional tone giving option. So if we really want to give some tone, then we set, like I give just a sample, suppose you are a Gen Z, and then go to the input. And you can give any, here I used a sneaker example, but you can give it any. And if you want to import your example, then you have a, in action tab there is a import example options and export example options as well in a CSV or sheets. So it is up to you, either you want to add input columns or anything. So this is a very efficient method. So let's take these two examples right now just for sample: super soft hoodies and old sneakers. And here again, if we have to add a test your prompts, and according to our prompts we will get an product copy, like your market, this is for a marketing purpose. So just it will generate, just click on the run button, and it will generate a proper marketing copy, advertisement copy for us. So basically similarly you can generate anything as per your need. This is just a sample to show you how exactly the UI is working. You can see the complete description we are getting, advertising copies, calling all things. And just you if you wanna add as I earlier told you earlier, if you wanna add some more examples, then it is up to you. Right now I am just showing for a sample, so I give 3, and you can use it. Either you wanna add, like, you can click on those icons, that plus icon, add to prompt example, then what output are generated, this will go and add in the example just to improve the quality. And if you want to get this in a code form, you can just go at the top right corner, click on get code. You will get in these multiple languages, and you want to use it in your any coding things, then just get a code and do copy paste. And for API is also there is an option available. So just this is a quick flow to show you all these 3 types. Now let's go to the third one. Basically third one is a chat prompt. Here we will work like a chatbot, like we will give users a user input and model response, like some examples like how the model is supposed to be responded according to our needs, and according to that the this chat will respond us. So basically these examples are for training our own chatbot. And so just copy, suppose I give a sample or documentation sample about this a friendly alien from Jupiter, and I give some okay responses. So here we have 2 examples, and I'm testing on the behalf of only 2 example. So let's ask something in the chat, like either we are getting the response or not. Just write, and what is the weather like. I'm asking this from the alien, and let's see what is the response we are getting. So yeah, here we are getting a complete response. Similarly we can create any chatbot related to our genre or niche. Either it is a marketing chatbot, programming related chatbot, or anything. This is just a basic alien chatbot, just for a fun and show you. And once you will create on the run icon, then it will generate the same response again. Or if you want to add this response in a example, just go to that icon, click on that icon, add to example, and you can see here in the left side that response is added in our prompt examples. So according to this response, it will upgrade, the chatbot will upgrade himself and give us a more accurate response. Like suppose I ask a question, give a name of your neighbor planets, and the model is giving me a proper name, like detail, and but this response is a bit larger, like more than multiple lines are here. So you can see here we are getting a proper name with some theories. So I write it, make it short, just I instruct it to make it more short, and you can see here we get a short and precise answer according to our need, using 3 test examples. So similarly more we will give more examples, it will train himself more and more. And once we are completely assured that yeah, chat gpt, the proper chatbot is working according to our need, then we are good to go. Then we have, like here we use, I used it normally 3 examples to train, but you can use more than 5, 10, 20. How much example you will get, it will become more efficient. Like now you can see I give an example of make it short, total 5 examples are here, and now you can see the response, what is name and place name. And let's see, after giving the short make it short example, the answer is more shorter and preciser for me. So similarly it is up to us, like how we guide our chat and make it. And we can use it for any purpose, either it's and just go to the get code, and if you want to get a code of this, just get it in your desired language, and from here, or you want to save it, just save it from the above right corner, and you are good to go. So basically this is the first part. Wait for the second part, I will show you something more. Thank you.